Hi, I am Hazel De Perio from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. In this short video, we will talk about BSP's role as supervisor and regulator of banks and some non-bank institutions. Before we proceed, if you need to review the background on the structure of the Philippine financial system and the different BSP supervised financial institutions or BSFIs, you may check our other videos on these topics. As the Philippine Central Bank, the BSP has the authority to supervise and regulate banks and some non-bank financial institutions such as non-stock savings and loan associations, pawn shops, trust corporations, electronic money issuers, and money service businesses. BSP also supervises payment system operators, among others, based on relevant laws. Our institutional design and arrangement serve to effectively carry out our mandate of ensuring that the financial system operates in a sound and safe manner. We have departments and units that are responsible for regulatory and supervisory functions, such as conducting examinations, collecting and analyzing data, and enforcing compliance with our regulations. So, how do we carry out our task of supervising and regulating financial institutions? We do it through a combination of off-site surveillance and on-site examinations. Off-site surveillance involves regularly monitoring the financial institution's performance, analyzing their financial and management reports, and assessing their risk profile based on regular discussion with bank management and other supervisory information. This helps us identify supervisory concerns or potential problems and take appropriate actions to prevent them from becoming bigger issues. Meanwhile, on-site examination involves conducting on-site or virtual examination and inspection of the financial institution's operations, quality of corporate governance, effectiveness of risk management systems and practices, soundness of internal control processes, and financial condition. This allows us to gain a deeper understanding of their strengths and weaknesses and identify areas for improvement. We also work closely with the financial institutions themselves, providing guidance and advice on how they can improve their operations and comply with our regulations. And if we do identify any issues that need to be addressed, we use a range of enforcement tools such as fines, sanctions, and even revocations of licenses. It is important to note that the BSP does not work alone on this. The implementation of the financial stability mandate is done in collaboration with other agencies through two interagency bodies that perform complementary roles of focusing on the micro and addressing the macro concerns. We have the Financial Sector Forum and the Financial Stability Coordination Council. Both bodies were created as a voluntary interagency initiative. The Financial Sector Forum is a group composed of the BSP, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Insurance Commission, and the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. We collaborate to strengthen oversight of the whole financial system, which includes financial conglomerates and the interaction of the financial system with entities such as fintech companies and digital platforms. While the FSF has no enforcement powers, agreements signed under its framework are enforced separately by each agency. The Financial Stability Coordination Council, or FSCC, is a high-level council that's chaired by the BSP governor. It is composed of the members of the FSF, namely the BSP, the SEC, the IC, and the PDIC, with the addition of the Department of Finance, or DOF.
It recognizes the important role played by the DOF as the government steward of sound fiscal policy in the promotion of financial stability.
The FSCC was established to oversee and coordinate work toward financial stability. It addresses systemic risks or the buildup of financial vulnerabilities with industry or economy-wide impact through appropriate macroprudential policy interventions or regulations. Meanwhile, the FSF coordinates macroprudential regulation and supervision, focusing on the safety and soundness of individual financial institutions. This segregation allows authorities to focus on both equally demanding issues. So, why is it important to learn about the BSP and the rest of the government's role in the financial system? Well, as professionals and consumers, you have a stake in ensuring that the financial system remains stable and healthy. By understanding the role of regulators, you will be better equipped to make informed personal financial decisions, and by your transactions, play a greater part in contributing to the development as well as sharing in the benefits of our growing economy. But you still might be wondering, how does this information apply to my everyday life? Here are some concrete examples. If you're planning to open a bank deposit account or avail of financial products and services, understanding how the BSP regulates banks and non-bank institutions can guide you in choosing a bank or financial institution. Make sure that the institution is duly licensed or registered. Check its financial and operational condition from published reports like audited financial statements and annual reports. Understand the terms and conditions of financial products and services, and know your rights and responsibilities as a financial consumer. By understanding your role in the financial system, you can protect yourself from financial scams, make sound financial decisions, and better contribute to the country's economic growth. Thank you for watching our series of videos, and we hope that you continue to learn more about the BSP and the Philippine financial system. For other learning resources, you may visit our website at www.bsp.gov.ph or follow us on social media.